Hey, so this is my Coronet lathe. Just bought it. I'm trying to work out how to actually take the change the drive belt. So looking into the machine. Put my light on. I've actually already removed the two grub screws, which are located in the current cogs. So both of those have been removed, so this can now move freely from left to right. I've also removed the little screw and washer which is in the left hand end. I have got a 13mm diameter piece of dowel because it says to use something softer than steel, and I've got my wooden mallet, and I'm going to try to knock it out. So I'll put that on there. Put it on the end. And you can actually see that it hasn't moved at all, and it still freely spins. Hopefully someone has got an answer to how I can solve this.